Today, we are going to talk about a unique trading strategy that's based on the wave-like way markets move. It's called the UB is equal to CD strategy, and it focuses on the highs and lows of these waves. Let me explain. The distance from A to B is the same as the distance from C to D. The C point is made when there is a retracement of at least 50% from UB, but the price cannot go past A. The D point is placed the same distance from C as A is from B. If it's a bullish UB is equal to CD pattern, you enter a long trade at D. If it's bearish, you enter a short position at D. Question is, when do you look for this pattern? I usually look for it on 30-minute or 1-hour charts, 4-hour charts, daily charts, and weekly charts. I don't recommend using lower time frames than 30 minutes. If you are looking for a new trading strategy to try, give the UB is equal to CD strategy a chance. You might just be surprised at the results. Thanks for watching and happy trading.